Okay, let's discuss Tool 6 academic discussion writing analyzer. Because academic discussion questions are very similar to TOEFL speaking task one questions. So basically, we're just using these questions that we've already seen in the TOEFL speaking question set and practice. Okay. Of course, there are also some TOEFL uh, uh, legitimate academic discussion writing questions that we've collected and or the some uh anyways as questions that we gather from the internet. Okay, and if you type in say 100 and something, these are the ones with 5 digits are the real academic discussion writing questions, but just a simplified version. Okay, so for example, if you want to practice this question and then you type in your answer over here, I think it's more important to develop the economy because so economy. Okay, no, it doesn't matter. Okay, I know it's a typo there. But anyways, so after you write, say, about 130 words, you analyze it over here. There's a little timer over here because the time limit for this task is 10 minutes, so we can activate this timer and write at the same time if you want to. Okay, so first part, like tool one, this is a grammar analysis. Okay, economy is spelled wrong, so economy is spelled wrong. Well, actually, it doesn't catch that. Or yeah, the first one. Yeah, and the second one is logic analysis. Once again, with any kind of logic analysis from AI tools, you should take it with a grain of salt. Just look at it, find something that you find useful, and improve your writing next time. Don't trust it 100% because it will always, because the way we write the prompt, it will always try to find somewhere that you can improve. Uh, Maybe you already have a piece that's worth 30 points in TOEFL writing, but still it will ask you to improve a certain part. Okay, that's just the way it works. Okay, and but do look at the revised answer. And it will give you some idea to use the next time you answer a similar question or use a similar reason to tackle a question. Okay, and there's a quick grading section over here too. 5 being excellent, 1 being like trash. But just uh we will have another dedicated section to explain this, but this is a proxy of the actual ETS formula. Okay, we do not know, nobody knows the actual ETS formula, but I think it's a good enough proxy for practicing. Okay, and then you can save my recording or save in Scoreboard. If you save in Scoreboard, everybody can see it. I can grade it. If you save it here, then it's only you that can see this file. Okay. Okay. All right. Once again, if you successfully made it public, it will show right here. If you make if you have had it public, but now you want to take it back, you want to make it private again, then you can change the setting over here.